Let me show you how to add multiple logos to a WordPress website. The built-in editor does this without plugins or code. Open Appearance in the left sidebar and click Editor. The site editor opens with your current theme. Click Patterns, then click Template Parts. Find Header and click it. The header template opens. If it shows a preview, click Edit. You should now see the blocks that make up your header. Look for the existing site logo block. If you already have a logo, leave it. If not, click the plus button. Search for site logo and select it. Click Upload. Choose your logo file from your computer. Your first logo appears in the header. This block is tied to your site identity, so I keep the primary company logo here. Click the plus button next to that logo. Search for image, not site logo. Select the image block. Click Upload and pick your second logo. It appears right beside the first in most themes. If it drops below instead, we'll fix that next. Click plus again and add another image block. Upload your third logo. You can add more, but I'd stop at 3 for a header. More than that feels crowded. If your logos are stacked vertically, the fastest fix is a row block. Select the logos. Click the plus button. Search for row. Choose the row layout. Place the image blocks inside it. The logos now sit next to each other horizontally. So you have company logo, partner logo, certification logo in a row. Click the first logo to open its settings on the right. Find the width option under the image settings. I usually set the primary logo to 120 pixels, then click the second logo and set its width. Repeat for the third. Keep the visual sizes balanced. Don't force every logo to the same height if the proportions are different. That stretches the artwork. Select the row block. In the block settings, look for block spacing or gap. Increase the value. I typically use 20 pixels. If the logos are too close, they blur together. Too far apart and the row looks disconnected. With the row still selected, look at the toolbar. Use the alignment options to set the whole group left, center, or right. If your navigation menu already sits on the right, center usually works better for a partner strip. Click Preview to check the header. Click the first logo. In the image toolbar, click the link button. Enter the web address. I set the company logo to the homepage. Click the second logo and add its destination. Repeat for the others. If these logos represent partners or certifications, external links make sense. I set external links to open in a new tab. You don't have to keep all of this in the header. Go back to Appearance, click Editor, click Patterns, click Template Parts. This time choose Footer, click Edit. Add a row block. Add image blocks inside the row. Upload each logo one at a time. Adjust the sizes, adjust the spacing. Save the footer. Visit your site and scroll to the bottom to see the logos. To place logos on a regular page, go to Pages, click All Pages, open the page you want to edit. Click the plus button. Add a row block. Add image blocks inside the row. Upload your logos. Adjust size and spacing. Add links if needed. Click Update. Preview the page. For a sponsor or client logo section, I prefer columns over row. Click plus, search for columns. Choose a 3-column layout. Put one logo in each column. That gives each logo its own space, which is easier to center and resize. Click each logo and adjust its size. Center the logos inside their columns if you want. If you don't see Appearance then Editor, you're on a classic theme. Go to Appearance. Click Customize. Look for Header. Check whether your theme allows extra images or widgets there. If not, go to Appearance and click Widgets. Find the header or footer widget area. Add an image block or widget. Upload your additional logo. Save your changes. The options depend on the theme. Before you finish, check the header on a phone. Row blocks can wrap or shrink. If the logos get too small on mobile, move that row into the footer instead. Use transparent PNG files if the logos sit on a colored background. If you can't select one logo because it's stuck inside the row, open List View from the top toolbar and click the image block there. And if these are partner or client logos, make sure you have permission to display them. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. That comment is what pushes this to other people looking for the same thing.